The tongue has the power of life and death, and those who love it will eat its fruit. Proverbs 18 verse 21. Are you the one who brings life or a knife? Your words, your actions, they cut or they heal. What kind of Christian are you? The one who preaches love but lives in judgment, or the one who embodies grace in every breath? What kind of friend are you? The one who lifts in the storm or stabs in the back when it suits? What kind of partner are you? Building up with tenderness or tearing down with selfishness? What kind of human are you? Reflecting God's light or spreading shadows? Life isn't neutral. Every interaction sows life or wields a knife. Choose wisely. Speak life. Live love. Be the one who heals, not harms. The world has enough knives. Be the breath of life. Bring life on Become the Sermon.
And don't forget to subscribe.